Hello everyone. Our subject is financial management. We've already started unit number 3 in which we have completed first part A, that is capital structure, clear types of capital structure, then factor affecting capital structure. So today we are going to start our part number B, that is capitalization and leverage. In capitalization you have to prepare two concepts, that is undercapitalization and overcapitalization, and leverage you have to calculate sum. Clear? Leverage means risk. So it is syllabus included undercapitalization and overcapitalization. You have to prepare meaning, symptoms means characteristic, causes, effects and remedies. Then part here is leverage. You have to calculate simple problems. Sum you have to calculate in leverage. Concept of leverage, operating leverage, financial leverage. Clear? EBIT, earning before interest and tax, earning before tax, earning per share. So you have to calculate sum in leverage, and capitalization you have to prepare theories. Clear? So let's start with the meaning of concept of capitalization. So first one, what do you mean by capitalization? Capitalization means total capital investment in the business, whether it is owner's fund or borrowed fund. So equity share plus preference share plus bond plus debenture. So it is total capital investment in the business. Clear? So here is the objective of every business is to maximize the value of the business. So each and every business or each and every company have a main objective to increase the profit, to maximize the value of firm. Clear? To increase the EPS, earning per share. In this respect, the finance manager as well as individual investor wants to know value created by the business. The value of business related to the capitalization of business. So capitalization no meaning શું થશે? Total capital investment in the business, whether it is owner's fund or borrowed fund. The need for capitalization arises in all the phases of firm's business cycle. Clear? So virtually capitalization is one of the most important areas. So the term capitalization derived from the word of capital. So hence it would be appropriate to understand meaning of capital. Capital in business usage. Clear? So to here is mostly taken to total asset required to operate, to run the business. So money required to acquire such asset. Acquire means to purchase. Clear? So capitalization refers to valuation of total business, sum total of own capital and borrowed capital. So capitalization no meaning શું થશે? Total capital investment in the business. It is a sum total of own capital and borrowed capital. So here is thus it is nothing but the valuation of long-term fund invested in the business. So specially it involves capitalization word itself related with the long-term fund. Clear? So long-term fund, or you can say valuation of long-term fund invested in the business. It refers to a way in which long-term obligations are distributed between different classes of the both owners and creditors. Clear? So it is in short, symbolically capitalization means, here is capitalization means total capital investment in the business, share capital. Clear? Plus debenture plus long-term borrowing plus reserve plus surplus earning. So capitalization means total તમારા બિઝનેસમાં કેટલું total investment છે ને શું કહેવાશે? Capital investment or capitalization. Clear? So capital investment comprise two things: owner's capital, which include capital stock and surplus in whatever form it may appear. Clear? Ownership capital means equity share, preference share, reserve and surplus. Clear? Borrowed capital include bond and similar evidence of the long term debt. So here is capitalization include two parts, that is owner's fund and borrowed fund. Clear? So definition, there are three definition is given. So it is capitalization is the sum of the par value of outstanding stock and bonds. એટલે કે તમે how much proportion you have to keep owner's fund and how much proportion you have to keep borrowed fund. So here is capitalization means total capital investment in owner's fund or borrowed fund. So the balance sheet values of stock and bonds outstanding. Stock નો meaning શું થશે? Shares. Clear? Owners fund. And bond means borrowed fund. Capitalization of a corporation comprise ownership capital and borrowed capital as represented by long-term indebtedness. So in short, total capital investment in owners fund plus borrowed fund. Clear? Capitalization. So capitalization is equivalent to valuation placed upon the fixed capital by corporation measured by stock and bond. In short, stock plus bond. Stock no meaning શું થશે? Shares. Like owners fund. Clear? Equity, preference, reserve and surplus. And bond no meaning શું થશે? Borrowed fund like bond, debenture and loan. So here there are two type of capitalization: under capitalization and over capitalization. You have to prepare cause, effects and remedies. Clear? You have to prepare so here is you have to prepare meaning of under capitalization and over capitalization. Then you have to prepare cause, effects and remedies. There are only two questions in capitalization, that is under capitalization and over capitalization, and you have to prepare cause, effects and remedies. So first I repeat meaning. Clear? Capitalization means total capital investment in the business. Stock plus bond. Stock means shares, owners fund. Clear? Stock no meaning શું થશે? Security, shares. And here is bond means borrowed fund. So your total capital investment in the business, whether it is owners fund or borrowed fund. Clear? So company here is under capitalization. Under capitalization no meaning શું થશે? Your capital investment will be less. Your capital investment is less but your earning will be high. Clear? જેટલું એક્ચ્યુઅલમાં ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરવું જોઈએ એના કરતા પણ તમે ઓછું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કર્યું હોય તો એને શું કહેવાય? અંડર કેપિટલાઇઝેશન. Actually there will be a requirement of 3 lakh rupees of investment, but તમે કર્યું છે કેટલું? Only 2 lakh. So it is a under capitalization. Clear? જેટલું પ્રોપર ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટની જરૂર હોય એના કરતા પણ તમે એક્ચ્યુઅલમાં ઓછું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરો તો એને શું કહેવાશે? અંડર કેપિટલાઇઝેશન. ક્લિયર? A company may be undercapitalized when the rate of profit it is making on the total capital is exceptionally high in relation to return enjoyed by similarly situated company in the same industry. Clear? For example, કોઈ પણ કંપની હોય સેમ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં, બંને કંપનીએ 3 lakh નું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કર્યું હોય પણ your company get very high rate of return, that is 30%. Clear? As compared to other companies in the industry. So it will be considered as a under capitalization. Under capitalization means your investment will be less but your rate of return will be high. Clear? તમારું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ ઓછું હશે પણ rate of return profit કેવો હશે? વધુ as compared to other companies in the industry. So when it has a too little capital with which to conduct its business. So too little capital. Too little capital means very less investment. Too little capital. Capital means investment. Clear? So too little capital means very less investment but the profit will be high in undercapitalized situation. Clear? So in simple word we can say that undercapitalized is the reverse phenomenon of overcapitalization. What is difference between undercapitalized and overcapitalization? Undercapitalization means here is your capital investment will be less but your rate of return, your profit will be high. Clear? And overcapitalization means here is overcapitalized means your investment will be high but your rate of return will be low. તમે overcapitalize. Capitalize એટલે your total investment. Clear? Capitalization નો meaning શું થશે? Your total investment. તમે ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ વધુ પડતું કરી નાખ્યું હોય અને રિટર્ન તમને ઓછું મળે. ક્લિયર? પ્રોફિટ ઓછો થાય એને શું કહેવાય? ઓવર કેપિટલાઇઝેશન. So it occurs when company's actual capitalization is lower than its proper capitalization. Clear? So what do you mean by undercapitalization? Undercapitalization નો meaning શું થશે? એક તો capitalization નો meaning શું થશે? Your total capital investment. Under means તમે ઓછું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કર્યું હોય. Clear? So your actual capitalization is lower as compared to proper. જેટલું રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હોય એના કરતા પણ તમે ઓછું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરો તો એને શું કહેવાય? અંડર કેપિટલાઇઝેશન. કંપનીઝ actual capitalization is lower than its proper capitalization. Generally બિઝનેસમાં જરૂર હોય 5 લાખ રૂપીસની અને તમે ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કર્યું હોય ઓનલી 3 લાખ રૂપીસનું, તો કેવું કેપિટલાઇઝેશન કહેવાશે? અંડર કેપિટલાઇઝેશન. પ્રોપરલી બિઝનેસમાં કેટલા મનીની જરૂર હતી? 5 લાખ રૂપીસ અને તમે એક્ચ્યુઅલ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કેટલું કર્યું? 3 લાખ રૂપીસ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ અ અંડર કેપિટલાઇઝેશન. ક્લિયર? The term under capitalization should never be considered synonym with the inadequate capital. Clear? So it is symbolically rate of return greater than total capital investment. Listen, undercapitalized should never be considered as a similar, clear, synonyms with the inadequate capital. Inadequate means not sufficient capital. Clear? Undercapitalized નો meaning એવો નથી કે તમારી પાસે sufficient capital નથી. Clear? But your investment will be less as compared to proper capitalization. Your actual investment will be less as compared to proper capitalization. So it is rate of return greater than total capital investment. So it is symbolically you can remember rate of return greater than total capital investment. Rate of return no meaning શું થશે? Your profit level. Clear? So your profit level will be high as compared to your total capital investment. Your total capital, in short, you can also write, clear? You have to write like total capital investment less than rate of return. આવી રીતના પણ લખી શકો. ક્લિયર? Total capital, here is rate of return greater than total capital investment, or you can write total capital investment less than rate of return. Clear? So it is real value of undercapitalized companies more than its books value. So here is the profit. So it is the real value of undercapitalized companies more than its books value. Clear? The profit are higher than warranted by books value of its assets. Such company can pay higher rate of dividend and the market value of share is much higher than its face value. Clear? So generally here is your rate of return is more. Undercapitalized company એટલે કેવી થાશે કે તમે ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ ઓછું કર્યું હોય પણ તમને rate of return profit કેવું થાય? વધુ as compared to other companies in the industry. Clear? So your rate of return or your profit will be larger. So company can pay higher rate of dividend to their shareholder and also increase the market value of shares. Clear? So company is said to be undercapitalized when it is earning exceptionally higher profit as compared to other companies in the industry, or value of its assets significantly higher than capital raised. In short, તમારે યાદ શું રાખવાનું? Undercapitalized company એટલે કેવી થાશે કે your investment is less but then also company can earn higher profit as compared to other companies in the industry. Clear? Company ને profit વધુ થાશે, investment ઓછું હશે. Clear? So for example, the capitalization of company is 20 lakh. You have to keep in mind this example. Clear? So here is for example, the company's capitalization of company is 20 lakhs and average rate of return of the industry is 15%. So company નું capitalization, total capital investment કેટલું છે? 20 lakhs rupees and average rate of return of the industry. Average industry માં જેટલી કંપની છે, ક્લિયર, એનું એવરેજ રિટર્ન કેટલું છે? 15%. કે તમે 20 lakhs નું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરો તો તમને ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં એવરેજ રિટર્ન બધી કંપનીનું કેટલું છે? ઓન્લી 50%. But your company is earning 30% on the capital investment. It is the case of undercapitalization. Undercapitalization એટલે your investment will be less. Your investment is less but your rate of return is higher. So there is also one formula or symbolically we we can represent like rate of return greater than total capital investment, or you can write total capital investment less than rate of return. Clear? તમારું total capital under capitalized, word itself suggests, name itself suggests, clear, that under means your total capital investment will be less as compared to rate of return. So here is company નું capitalization કેટલું છે 20 lakhs. તો here is average rate of return. Clear? તમે 20 lakhs નું investment કરો તો average તમને return કેટલું મળવું જોઈએ 15%, but your company is earning 30%, એટલે your rate of return is higher as compared to your investment. એને શું કહેવાશે? Under capitalization. Under capitalization, name itself suggests your capital investment will be less, but your rate of return means your profit level is high. Clear? So it is the case of under capitalization. So here is asset acquired with existing capitalization facilitate the generation of higher profits. So higher profit, it is the sign of under capitalization. So generally asset have been acquired very low rates. એક તો under capitalized થવાના chances ક્યારે રહે? Your investment will be less, but your rate of return is high. તમારે યાદ શું રાખવાનું? under capitalization માં તમારું investment ઓછું હોય, but the rate of return or profit is more. So here is when this type of situation is happen, so okay, the asset have been acquired at very lower rates. Asset means here is fixed asset or any current asset have been acquired, obtained very low price, then also your investment will be less, but the value will be, here is the rate of return will be high in future. The company has generated secret reserve. Secret reserve. Secret એટલે that those type of thing which cannot be mentioned in the balance sheet, in the financial statement. Secret એટલે કેવી વસ્તુ કે that is not mentioned, recorded in the financial statement. જે વસ્તુ financial statement માં બતાવવામાં ના આવે એને શું કહેવાય? secret. Clear? The company has generated secret reserve. company પાસે કોઈ secret reserve હોય, clear, વધુ secret reserve or surplus હશે તો પણ કંપનીને વધુ પ્રોફિટ થવાના chances, rate of return will be high in future. So in that case also there will be a undercapitalized by paying lower dividend, clear, to the shareholder over number of years. And when company's profit is high, clear, but then also if company providing lower rate of dividend, generally dividend payment, interest payment, that will be considered as expense for the company, clear. But if company have a secret reserve, clear, and if company pay lower dividend, then there will be a chances to undercapitalize. Undercapitalize means your capital investment is less, but your rate of return is high. Company ને વધુ પડતો profit થાય ને એનો meaning શું થાય? Undercapitalization means કે તમે જેટલું investment કર્યું હતું એના કરતા પણ તમને return કેવું મળ્યું? વધુ. So that is the situation of undercapitalization. Clear? So the indicators of undercapitalization, here is symptoms, or you can say characteristic. There is an unforeseen increase in the earning of the company. Clear? Undercapitalized ક્યારે કહેવાય? તો કે suddenly there will be an increase earning of the company as compared to investment. તમે investment ઓછું કર્યું હોય, your actual investment will be less as compared to proper investment. Proper investment કેટલું? For example 5 lakh ની requirement હતી business માં, clear, અને તમે investment actually કેટલું કર્યું? only 3 lakh rupees. So it is a undercapitalized, clear. So and here is if there will be a suddenly, clear, increase earning of the company, જો company ની earning વધુ હોય as compared to investment. કંપનીએ જેટલું capitalization એટલે total capital investment, clear. So કંપનીએ જેટલું investment કર્યું હોય એના કરતા પણ કંપનીની earning વધુ હોય એને કેવી situation કહેવાય? under capitalization. So here is increasing earning, clear. Future earning of the company were underestimated at the time of promotion, clear. So you have to in future underestimation, clear. Underestimation no meaning શું થશે? Okay, here is also one point is given under, I just causes we will discuss in next lecture, but I just explain the term underestimation. So here is estimation, clear. You have to predict, assume, underestimation means, for example, here is capital requirement. So if the future capital requirement are underestimated by promoters, then inadequacy of capital is experienced at the later stage. For example, underestimation. Undercapitalized situation ક્યારે થાય તો કે here is just you have to understood the term underestimation clear. For example, તમને એવું prediction હોય, assumption clear કે in future there will be a 5 lakh rupees is 5 lakh rupees will require, and you have to actually there will be a requirement of 10 lakh rupees clear. Actual માં બિઝનેસ માં જરૂર કેટલી હતી 10 lakh rupees ની, અને તમે એસ્ટિમેશન કેવું કર્યું 5 lakh rupees નું, તેને કેવું એસ્ટિમેશન કહેવાશે અંડર એસ્ટિમેશન clear. Actually in your business there will be a requirement of 10 lakh rupees clear, but you have to estimate just only 5 lakh rupees. તો જરૂર હતી actually 10 lakh rupees ની, અને તમે assume estimate કેવું કર્યું કે in business there will be only 5 lakh rupees is required in future. So જરૂર હતી 10 lakh ની, તમે assume કર્યા 5 lakh rupees, તો એને કેવું કહેવાશે under estimation. So there will be also situation of under capitalization. Then underestimation of future earning clear. So here is underestimation. You have to just assume that here is while preparing financial plan, if the future earning of company are underestimated and the actual earning turn out to be higher than estimated figure clear. તમે estimated એટલે prediction assume clear. તમે estimated કર્યું હોય કે future માં company ને 5 lakh rupees નો profit થશે clear, અને here is you have to just estimated figure 5 lakh rupees છે એ તમારું કેવું છે estimated figure કે you have to assume that in future your business will generate profit of rupees 5 lakh, but actually there will be a profit that is 10 lakh rupees clear. તમે assume કેટલા કર્યા હતા 5 lakh rupees નો profit. Future earning means profit clear. તમે assume estimated figure શું થશે અહીંયા 5 lakh rupees, અને actual figure actual earning શું થશે 10 lakh rupees. So that is the also case of undercapitalization. તમે જેટલું underestimation clear, future earning of company were underestimation. So here is you have to estimate, predict, just assume clear that in future company will generate 5 lakh rupees profit, but in reality there will be a profit of 10 lakh rupees. તો તમે જે 5 lakh assume કર્યા હતા એને કેવું કહેવાશે underestimated clear. So asset might have been acquired very low price clear. Whenever you purchase asset at very low price, then also your investment will be less. So your investment will be less, but there will be a chances to earning good profit. So it will be considered as the case of undercapitalization. So in short, we only complete today meaning of undercapitalization and meaning of capitalization clear. In next lecture we will discuss cause, effects and remedies clear. So I repeat, what do you mean by undercapitalization? Undercapitalization means your total capital investment is less, but your rate of return is very high clear. તમારો profit વધુ હોય as compared to your investment. In short, your actual investment is very less as compared to proper capital investment. Symbolically we can represent total capital investment less than rate of return, or you can say rate of return greater than total capital investment clear. So undercapitalized, capitalization no meaning શું થશે total capital investment. Under એટલે જેટલું બિઝનેસ માં રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હોય એના કરતા પણ તમે ઓછું ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કરો તો એને શું કહેવાશે અંડર કેપિટલાઇઝેશન. Your actual capitalization, your actual investment will be less as compared to proper capital investment clear. So it is the just meaning of capitalization and undercapitalization meaning. So tomorrow next lecture we will start cause, effects and remedies. Only two questions you have to prepare: undercapitalized and overcapitalized, cause, effects and remedies clear. And leverage na sum કરવાના છે clear. You have to calculate simple sum in leverage. So if you have any doubt or query, then you can message me. Thank you.